Welcome to the world of ASSA ABLOY. We offer a complete range of door opening solutions, making people feel safe and secure in convenient ways. ASSA ABLOY has continuously evolved through innovation and acquisitions, making the local company, founded in 1994, a global player. Today, we are present in over 70 countries. As the global leader for door opening solutions, ASSA ABLOY offers the latest technologies for events, hospitals, homes, hotels, airports, education, and businesses. Constant innovation is at the core of ASSA ABLOY, along with expansion into new markets, cost efficiency, and the drive towards sustainability, digitalization, and automatization. Altogether, it makes ASSA ABLOY the global leader in door opening solutions.